Sushant, do you have any message to convey? Okay, guys, I think there is a message that I have. So guys, I was doing my tarot reading video. I was doing a video to help people learn how to do the tarot reading, and even in that Celtic spread, Sushant kind of conveyed quite a few things, but I had to leave that video abruptly. I will upload that tomorrow though, but I had to leave that video abruptly, and Sushant kind of connected there, and there also he gave me these two cards, Queen of Pentacle, and he gave page Knight of Pentacle, and this card basically means that something is definitely happening. Some situation has been looked into. This could be related to the cop, but there is something that is happening, and let's just ask Sushant what he wants to convey, why he suddenly connected. So let's just ask. Okay, so the first card that I have is King of Wands, and I will still ask for clarifier cards because I just don't want to kind of read it just like that. There is Queen of Pentacle and there is Three of Wands. Now if I look at these cards, and I will interpret it as the person that we look at as King of Wands, and otherwise also if we look at these cards, it feels like there is somebody who's in authority. There is somebody who's kind of working on a certain things or trying to figure out a certain things, but at the same time it feels like there is some kind of information or things that this person has, because if you see, Queen of Pentacle is looking at her pentacle. So there are things that this person is looking at, or somebody related to this person is looking at, and from there there is definitely because there is Three of Wands as a card, and Three of Wands is a card that we connect with Sushant. Three of Wands is a card that we connect with Sushant, and we connect with his body or something related to, very strongly related to him, and it's a card of ships coming in. It's a card of things coming to light. It's a card of things becoming clearer, and it feels like, yes, there are things that are happening in the in outside world, which is kind of making things happening, and this could also mean, and yes, this is related, it could be related to his body because there's Four of Swords in the end, but it feels like something is definitely going to come out, or something is definitely happening. And if we relate it to the person that we relate this card to, then it feels like there is either some kind of money influence that is being used on this person, or that is being offered to this person. But definitely with Three of Wands, it feels like there is a denial because there is Four of Swords also there. So it feels like this person is looking at things to kind of unfold and become completely clear, and not really getting into that zone which he should not. And at the same time, this card could also mean that there is somebody who's trying to put money influence, a female who's trying to use money influence to kind of not let ships come in, or not let the justice completely happen. But at the same time, there are other people, other authorities who are around, and definitely they will make sure that things kind of become clear. I will still ask for a little more clarification. So just to clarify you guys again, I am not with or against anybody. I'm very, very clearly on the side of Sushant, that whatever Sushant will ask me to follow, whoever Sushant will ask me to connect with and contact with and give the information, I will. And for sure, that's my take on this. And so there is before I could ask anything else, there was a card of Five of Cups, and then in the end there is Sun card, and I feel that it's definitely related to him, related to his body, related to Sushant. And it feels like things that people are looking at, or that we are looking at, what is not there, what is not happening, what is not right, but we are not looking at that there are still things that can bring out the truth, or there could be still things that are right and that can help us move forward. And that is from where the sun is going to rise, that is from where the truth is going to come out, and everything is going to come out to light. And for the sun to shine, we have to stay positive. Anything else that you want to say, Sushant? Anything else that you want to say, Sushant? So the cards that I have, again, see guys, now it is difficult to interpret these cards, okay, because whenever they come, it is a question for me also to say it or not to say it. The cards are which are saying that there is Seven of Pentacles saying that have patience, things have started to unfold, things have started to come out. You will have patience, you'll have to have patience, and you will see a lot of things coming out of these bushes, a lot of truth coming out from nowhere. And then there is a card again of Ten of Cups. It's a card of, again, close ones, family, and there's a card of non-acceptance. There is something that is coming from the divine hand, but we want to focus on the things that we want to focus on. We don't want to see what is coming from the divine hand. And he's saying that it is time when you look at things objectively, look at everything very, very clearly, look at everything. Again, there is a card of there's a card of again like a celebration, like a family, like people being together. So look at everything clearly, guys. Open yourself, open this he's been giving this message over and over again. Open your hearts, open yourself, look at everyone. Anyone can be the person who's harmed him, right? Anything else, Sushant? Anything else that you want to say? So see, the cards are very clear. There is King of Cups, there is Knight of Cups, there is King of Pentacle, and there is Judgment card. So it is very clear that there is some kind of communication that is going to come, and it feels like this communication that is coming, because there is King of Cups, it might be coming from abroad. It's not coming from India, it is coming from outside India. There is a communication that will come across and that will come to us, and that communication is going to kind of blow all the resources. Everybody who was resourceful, everybody who used resources, everybody who used different things, everything is going to come out very, very loud and clear, all the truths. And there will be a judgment where, like I said, the dead will come alive, the dead will come out of their graves, and the divine will kind of interfere, and divine will intervene, and the worst dream of our life that we had is going to be over. So the truth definitely is going to come out. I asked anything else, and there is a card that kind of flew off. It's card of justice, and I couldn't see that card, but I saw that card later. And the card of justice along with 10 of Cups family again, and four of Cups card, and Page of Wands card. Now these cards are again saying the same story, that somebody very close is involved, and the truth is going to come out. It is going to be hurtful, but the justice will happen, because we see the justice card kind of flew away as the first card. I asked him whether he wants to answer the questions that people have sent him, and the card that came was 9 of Pentacle, and it means basically not now, because there is a snail in that, and basically he says that not now. He wouldn't want to answer these questions right now, because like I said, there is something that is waiting for to happen. And the other cards that came out is the card of Devil. So there is definitely some kind of some people who are kind of hostages, and some arrests that have happened. Things are coming out, definitely things are coming out loud and clear. There are people who are coming out, there are authorities who are coming out, and slowly with that there are more things that are going to come out, the close ones that are going to come out. And again, I feel it is his body. I don't know why. I always feel that he's somewhere, there is something. And King of Swords is also going to come out. So those people are going to come out. I wanted to pick up another deck because he asked me to. So let's see one clear message from him that I wanted to get, where I just read the deck from the cards. I just read it out what the book says, and then I shuffled this one, but he didn't want it from this one right now, so I had to pick up another deck. And I just read everything. I'm going to read everything from the book as is, rather than giving you what I say. So I'm going to cut this part. Sushant, what do you want to convey? And there was a card that kind of came out was attachments, and then the last card is hostilities, and then the card that I have is a key to romance card. And I am going to read that card exactly as it says, like what it says exactly. I'm going to read that card out to you. And definitely attachment, hostilities, and this says a lot. I also took out some cards just to clarify if there is anything else that he would want to say. And I got again 3 cards. So there is a lot these cards are conveying, and I'm going to read mostly the cards out to you. But the first card that I got was storm warning, and it is number 10. It is number 10 card, which says storm warning. There is a strong storm that is going to come. There is a strong change that is going to come. There is something big that is going to come. And then it says root chakra. So we have to kind of make our root strong. We have to ensure that we are standing strong, because there is something that is happening. There is a door to spirit, which card says that there is a door to spirit which is going to open, which means the door between the spirit world and the human world is going to open. And then there is a card of angel of balance. So we'll all have to bring in a balance with ourselves. We'll all have to be in balance. It is going to be very important for us to be in balance. So I'm going to read this card out to you clearly. So this is a card which says door to romance, and romance is not only one kind of love, right? We all have love for Sushant. So this says whether you are looking for a new relationship or just more love in the relationship that you are in, this door will, with the heart, opens onto the new beginning in your experience. A new love may be arriving, and you are being brought together by a strong resonant connection. This may be a call from the past life, or maybe a new tenderness about the bloom into the heartfelt affection. The relationship already exists in energetic potential. So when this card appears in your spread, make sure that you are projecting the kind of self-loving energy that you want to receive from others. Be aware that the universe returns your self-caring treatment to you. It's ready to open the door. Are you? So that is why, guys, you need to be very important. This is a very important message for Sushant that he gave in the last video as well, that open your hearts. It is very important to be positive. It is very important to look at positive things in the positive way, and it is very, very important not to become negative. It is very, very important to not become negative, because see, that is going to impact us in a big way, and what we want to receive is what we should give, and that's the message that he has very clearly. And when I look at the card of storm warning, I wanted to kind of read that a little bit as well. It said this card indicates a potential difficulty either in external world or within yourself or emotional life. The difficulty is coming closer, and you may have already have heard rumbling of potential problems around you. The caution here is to be cautious, not yet fearful. Consider what's going on and look at the situation with calm clarity. Investigate your options and honor yourself and your intentions. Stand up for yourself and take action on your own behalf. As with all difficulties, even the worst storm passes. Always remember, you have the power and the wisdom to handle whatever may come your way. And that is why, see guys, the way to handle this storm is only to be strong. It is only to make your root chakra strong. See at things clearly, fight on your own behalf, see things on your own behalf, and that is what is very important in this fight. Now I'm also going to read out the door to spirit, because I think that's important, because root chakra, we know that we have to balance our root. But door to spirit card says this door opens into the expansive energetic realm where all the new beginnings originate. The orbs of light are guiding you through the door of the earthly world, leading you to deeper understanding of your eternal identity, the source of all true value and power. This door opens into truly unlimited potential, for the changes that happen here reach deep into the core of your being. As such, this card often hurdles your increasing powers in the spiritual arts and deepening connection with the spirit world. Don't be surprised if you find yourself becoming more intuitive, more aware of spirit's presence, and more powerful in your own healing practices. Now is the time to open up to unexpected guidance and inspiration of spirit, and to magic and power of your true identity. So guys, something is big, something is definitely coming. It is the cards are like that of magic. The cards are of some spirit world being open. I'm not sure what it is indicating. I'm not sure what Sushant is indicating. I also as much into it as you all are. And I am going to read out that angel of balance card as well, a little to you, so that you kind of understand that as well. So I think we need to be balanced. It is very important for all of us to be balanced, because there is something big, something huge that is going to happen. Otherwise Sushant will not kind of come over and over again to send the same thing, to tell the same thing. The card is saying that it is very important to have personal balance. It is very important to have emotional equanimity. Although things may have been out of sync in the past, this card is telling you that a greater equilibrium is now coming in your life. Remain conscious about how you are balancing your goals and your physical and emotional energy as well. Whenever you feel yourself getting off center or losing focus, call upon this beautiful angel to bring her intention into your heart center. Your intuition will lead you into the right direction, and this angel will guide you to a peaceful and centered approach. And guys, it is very important to have a peaceful and centered approach, and it is very important to keep yourself balanced. It is a very clear indication there is a big storm coming. There is something big, something huge that is coming our way, and we have to kind of be very balanced and be ready for this thing to come. And clearly it is very strong. It is something very strong. We have to be prepared for it. And I'm going to take another card from Sushant, and I'm also going to kind of read that out to you, because in the beginning this is the deck that I wanted to take the card out from. So I want to see what he wants to kind of say from this, and I'm going to read that out to you as well. So but we need to be ready for it, guys. It is very important. storm has already started and we don't know what level it is going to go. And that is why, guys, it is very important to keep yourself balanced. Please keep yourself balanced. It is very, very important, and focus the right thing, focus on the right person, focus on the right situation. The card that I have is again soulmates. It's the same card that came in the last reading when we spoke about Sushant, and I want to read that card out to you because I think last time I didn't read it. So it says, you are meant to evolve and transform with the companionship of others. Certain people enter into your life in order to take you to the next level of healing, consciousness, and authenticity. It is always a reciprocal experience, although the result for each of you will vary. You know these people by the strong pull drawing you towards them, and sometimes a strong aversion to them initially too. Soulmates can be friends or for life, or remain in your life for only a short time. No matter what, you will be changed in the way that you can't possibly fathom now. Pay attention to these people today. They are your greatest gifts. And that is why, guys, no matter you're feeling good about somebody, no matter you're feeling bad about somebody, pay attention to your intuition, how you are feeling, what is happening, and fight your own fight. And it feels like there is a big change that is coming. There is very powerful strong change that is coming our way, and we need to be ready for that powerful strong change, because this card very, very clearly says that, you know, we might feel aversion about some people, but we might feel strong pull about some people, but everybody is kind of contributing equally. And also it is kind of saying that we can't even possibly think what is going to come into our life now. So that is why, guys, I will suggest you guys again to kind of be thoughtful, be careful about what you're saying, be careful about how you're speaking with others, be careful about the things that you're telling others, and be careful. Don't just say anything that is coming into your mouth. Don't just say anything to hurt anyone. Sushant would never support that, never ever. And I just sent a tweet in the morning about it. So anything else that you want to say, Sushant? So again, King of Wands card came out. Let's just see what is the message. Sushant, can you clarify? Sushant, can you clarify? What is the message, Sushant? Can you clarify? Okay, the card we have is Page of Wands. Sushant, can you give one more? Can you clarify and can you give one more? Okay, so there is Ace of Wands. So it feels like definitely there is some information that is coming out. There is some information, some things that are coming out, and it is with the divine hand. These informations are coming from the divine hand. These informations are very loud and clear. And again, like we connect it with somebody, and even if we connect or not connect, Page of Wands is somebody who's not looking at his personal life, who's not looking at, because there is a desert behind him, but he's sitting or very powerful in, no matter what the situation is, how the things are, sitting very powerfully there to kind of figure out the situations. And we know Page of Wands, right? We know Page of Wands, somebody who has information, somebody who's kind of pouring out the information, and the information is going to be poured out, and there is more information that is coming our way. Okay, so Shant, what is the guidance for us? What should we do? Can you give a guidance for, guys? Don't be blindfolded. Again, see, don't feel stuck. Don't be blindfolded. Don't be blindfolded by your own thoughts, your own emotions. Don't be blindfolded. See the things clearly as they are coming out. And one question that was in my mind, I wanted to ask that, can we trust the King of Wands? Can we trust the person that we take as King of Wands? What do you want to tell us about King of Wands? So I had this question in my mind from a long time. Like, you know, I am not with anybody or against anybody again. So I just want, for me and for all of you guys, to have clarity on that. Can we trust King of Wands? See, guys, now there are two cards that I have. There is a card of Seven of Swords, which again came the last time as well, and there is a card of Two of Wands. Now if you look at this card, this depiction of, and a lot of people get confused by Seven of Swords. So if you see in this card, Seven of Swords is the person who's trying to gather certain things behind the back. And if you see this depiction is very, very different, because this person already has 5 swords with him. He's actually going up the hill or based upon just one nail. So he's putting his life in danger to get up to the hill and kind of get the information, because there are two swords that are left that he couldn't take, and get this information and share this information with the world. And probably that is what this person is doing with that is what this person is doing, that he's trying to gather all the information, and he's already had five. This depiction is also very different. He already has 5 swords with him, so there was no need, if he was a thief, to kind of go back again. But he's trying to gather all the proofs that he should have, or all the things that he should have, and that is why he's again going back to get those 2 swords again. And then there is 2 of Wands, which is sharing with the world. So let's just again ask this question. I just want a clear indication or a clear card, because from these again people will still be confused, like they have been, that whether should they follow the king of or whether should say actually believe the King of Wands. It's not even about following. We don't have to follow anybody at all. We are individuals in this fight. So no, I couldn't get the answer from this, because he wanted to give the answer from the other deck. So that's why I changed the deck, and I asked the same question from other deck, because there are some cards that are already out from this deck. So probably Sushant didn't want to give the answer from this one, or the depictions are different. Actually, the depictions that this deck has and that deck has are different. That's why probably he wanted the answer to come from that. So there is King of Cups, there is 10 of Pentacle, the family card again, and there is some information that is coming about close people, that is already coming out. And when I asked about trusting the King of Wands, the card we got is Hierophant. Hierophant is somebody who's connected with the divine. Hierophant is somebody who sets the narratives. Hierophant is somebody who connected with authority, and Hierophant is somebody who's giving the information out. So I don't think that there is any point by not trusting the High Priest, but still I asked for one more card for clarity. So Sushant, can you give us one more card for clarity? See, there is Temperance, and then there is World. So definitely it is helping us. Oh, I asked the question that is it helping us move forward? It is definitely helping us move forward. It's definitely helping the fight of truth or justice, definitely. And there is a card of Temperance and World, which means that we are getting very close, and there is some kind of help that is coming from this person for sure, that is helping. Anything else, Sushant? Anything else that you want to say? I always have this. So the cards are again saying be ready for something to come. There is a new beginning that is happening. Don't be focused on what is lost. Don't be focused on what is negative. Focus on what is there. Focus on what is coming out. There is something definitely very strongly coming out. There is a truth that is going to come out, and we need to be ready for it. We need to be not negative. Again, I'm telling you guys, be at your own. There is a dog, there is a Fool card, there is a cliff. Be ready for it. And again, the card that came is King of Swords. King of Swords is definitely going to come out, because I said what is going to come out. King of Swords fell in my lap. There is card of information, some kind of messages coming out. There is a lot of juggling that is happening. A lot of things are being reconstructed, changed the way differently. They're being put out. Please be open to receive them. Please be open to receive them. Don't close yourself. And the last question that I wanted to ask him was that whether justice will happen, because that's something that I always ask him. And the way the cards came out, the cards are indicative of definitely something is going to come out. It is whether we accept it or not, because it is going to be from divine hand. It is going to be something which is where the close ones will be involved, and definitely the truth is going to come out. It has already started. The fight of truth has already started. The informations have already started. It might not be exactly what we are looking at. It might be not be exactly what we are wanting it to be, but definitely something is coming out. Anything else, Sushant, before we go? Again, keep working on it, guys. We need to keep fighting. 10 is coming. We need to be continuously be fighting for this 10, and we will get the justice. We will get the truth. So I just wanted to ask him if there is any last message. And the cards that I have, again, the cards are saying be open to the information that is coming out. Be open to the judgment that is coming out. Be open to the truth that is coming out. Divine is on work now. Divine is definitely on work now. We'll see a lot of things kind of falling away, a lot of structures kind of changing, a lot of thoughts kind of changing, and please be open. Okay, thank you so much.